Hi, guys. Welcome to my channel. So before we get started, make sure to hit that like button, also subscribe to my channel. In this video, we will talk about what is Prizerebel and how does it work. So make sure to watch the full video. If you're browsing through the internet trying to find a way to earn cash on the side, then you've probably come across heaps of online survey sites that promise fast cash in return for your time. However, you'll probably know that a lot of these fall very short of their bold claims. This is normally for one of two reasons. Either you'll find that there just isn't enough surveys available to make it worth your while, or alternatively, you need to earn a considerable amount before you are permitted to make a withdrawal. With that being said, Prizerebel is one such survey platform that appears to have a somewhat positive reputation. As such, in order to assess the credentials of Prizerebel, we decided to compile a full and frank review. Within it, we cover everything from how the platform works, who is eligible, how much you are likely to make, and more. What is Prizerebel? Prizerebel is a US-based platform that aims to partner research companies with everyday consumers. The overarching concept is that by undertaking surveys, you as a Prizerebel member will have the chance to earn rewards. As is the case with most online survey sites, each completed survey is paid in points, which can then later be exchanged for real-world rewards. This can either come in the form of cash or gift cards. Similarly to other well-known survey platforms such as Swagbucks and Survey Junkie, Prizerebel also offers a number of alternative methods to increase your points tally. This includes watching videos, playing games, signing up with third-party websites, or referring friends and family. In terms of the statistics, Prizerebel claims to have a community of over 9.2 million members, with the platform paying out surplus of $19 million in cash and rewards since 2007. In comparison to SurveyMonkey, which claims to have distributed more than $300 million, Prizerebel is significantly smaller. Nevertheless, one of the standout benefits of joining Prizerebel over its main market competitors is that it accepts account registrations globally. On the contrary, the likes of SurveyMonkey only accepts citizens from a select number of nations. If you're wondering how Prizerebel is able to pay you rewards for simply taking surveys, this is because of what the platform does with your data. As you will be expected to answer survey questions truthfully, advertisers are willing to pay Prizerebel for access to this information. However, your personal information is not shared with these advertisers, with Prizerebel claiming that they never share information pertaining to your identity. So now that you have an idea of what Prizerebel is, let's take a look at how the survey process typically works. How much do Prizerebel surveys pay? Before we delve into the specific survey paying process, it is important to understand how the point system works. If you've got a bit of experience with survey sites, then you'll probably know that surveys are paid out in points. Each point can then be converted to real-world dollars, which you can cash out once you earn a certain number of points. In the case of Prizerebel, 1 point will always amount to 1 cent. As such, 100 points would amount to $1 to 1,000 points would amount to $10, and so on. One of the best things about Prizerebel is that in comparison to its main market rivals, the platform makes it somewhat straightforward to figure out how much you can earn per task. By this, we mean that Prizerebel will always let you know two key metrics. Firstly, they will let you know how many points you will earn by taking a particular survey. Secondly, they will also give you an average completion time in minutes, while the length of time it actually takes you to complete a survey might vary from the estimation. It does at the very least give you an idea as to whether or not the survey is worth your time. For example, upon writing this review, we came across a Prizerebel survey paying 80 points, with the platform suggesting that the survey should take in the region of 20 minutes to complete. As we know that 80 points amount to 80 cents, this would equate to a real-world hourly salary of $2.40. For the vast majority of us, that wouldn't really be worth our time. However, we also came across a more lucrative survey opportunity during the same review process. The survey, which to our knowledge was available to all registered users, was paying 250 points with an estimated completion time of 15 minutes. With 250 points amounting to $2.50, this would instead amount to an hourly wage of $10. On the one hand, this is a good rate to be working towards, especially taking into account just how little survey platforms typically pay. On the other hand, you might find it difficult to find enough surveys that pay this type of money. Which is why you are probably best off opening accounts with other survey platforms, too. Nevertheless, the most important takeaway from our testing process was that the points to time ratio can vary significantly. As noted in the above example, while some surveys amounted to a real-world hourly wage of $2.40, others were paying upwards of $10. As such, you'll need to assess whether or not the survey is worth your while on a case-by-case basis. How else can I earn points at Prizerebel? As we briefly noted earlier, although the core of Prizerebel's platform is centered on surveys, a number of other earning opportunities are available around the clock. Here's a breakdown of what's on offer. Videos. The easiest way to keep your Prizerebel points tally ticking along is to load up some promotional videos. These are supplied by partners of the platform, meaning that they could be promoting anything from school shoes to budget travel packages. Irrespective of what you are watching, videos only pay a few points for every 30 minutes watched. At the very least, the video will continue to load even if it is minimized on your device. As such, as long as you don't attempt to complete other Prizerebel tasks while the video is playing, you'll still earn the points in the background. Playing games. With the mobile app space now a hugely competitive marketplace, game developers are desperate for players to try their material out. As such, you can earn points by downloading and installing specific gaming titles onto your phone. You stand the chance of increasing your earnings if you actually play the game and reach certain levels. How does the level system work at Prizerebel? The Prizerebel system uses an innovative level system that allows you to boost your earnings as you reach certain milestones. When you initially start off, you will be given a bronze account status. After this, the levels move from silver, gold, platinum, and diamond. In order to move up to silver, you will need to earn 1,000 points, or $10 in earnings, which shouldn't take long to achieve. As you move up each level, you can increase your Prizerebel perks. For example, diamond accounts get 30% for a referral bonus, while bronze accounts are capped to just 15%. Moreover, gold accounts onwards have their reward cash-outs processed automatically, while standard accounts might need to wait up to 7 days. By holding a gold, platinum, or diamond account, you will also receive a 1%, 2%, or 3% discount from your chosen reward. If you want to check how many points you need to progress, click on your current level at the top of the screen and you'll be shown a full breakdown. For example, if you're currently a bronze member, click on the bronze button. So now that you have a good idea as to how you can earn points at Prizerebel, we are now going to explore what you can exchange them for. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe to our channel before you go.